using GAC utility. Here, what is GAC utility? What is GAC utility? GAC utility is one of the .NET framework utility. One of the .NET framework utility. Using this utility, we can install our assembly into GAC folder. GAC utility is one of the .NET framework utility. Using this utility, we can install our assembly into GAC folder. And GAC utility is representing with one file called GAC util.exe. All these .NET framework utilities will be installed into our machine whenever we install into .NET software. Especially just now we have seen one drive. C drive we have seen. In C drive we have seen one folder. Have you observed? Just now we have seen system.dll. In that folder you can observe gacutil.exe, sn.exe. And coming to syntax to install an assembly into GAC. Syntax to install an assembly into GAC. So what is this syntax? Some location. What location, how to pick that, I'll tell you the path at the time of example execution. But syntax is GAC util -i and assembly name. Assembly name is nothing but DLL. For example, d:// GAC util. What is the location path? How you will take? I'll tell you. -i. For example, hello.dll and press enter. With this process, you can install your assembly into GAC folder. We can install our assembly into GAC folder. So these are the 3 steps.